Welcome to the AI Education Hub YouTube channel, your go-to source for all things AI. We're dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to harness the power of AI to achieve success in both your personal and professional life. In this video, which has been 90% created by AI, from scripting to the video itself, we're going to showcase how our channel can help you unlock your potential. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a reality that's transforming every industry and creating new opportunities for innovation. From healthcare to finance, education to marketing, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At AI Education Hub, we understand the importance of staying ahead of the curve and keeping up with the latest advancements in AI. That's why we've created this channel, to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in this ever-evolving field. Our channel will be packed with informative videos, tutorials, and webinars that cover a range of AI topics. We will also talk about real-world examples of how AI is being used in different industries, so you can see firsthand how AI is transforming the world around us. But we don't just want to teach you about AI, we want to help you apply it to your own life and career. That's why we offer practical tips and advice on how to use AI tools to enhance your personal and professional growth. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity, streamline your business processes, or find new career opportunities, our channel has something for everyone. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to harness the power of AI, then be sure to subscribe to the AI Education Hub YouTube channel. With our expert insights, informative videos, and practical advice, you'll be well on your way to achieving success in both your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.